We help homeowners and real estate investors protect their rental properties and create more predictable income through professional property management. In this video, I want to walk you through one of the biggest pain points property owners deal with: maintenance. If you own a rental property, there's a good chance you've received a tenant call at the worst possible time. Late at night, early in the morning, weekends, holidays, a leaking pipe, no heat, a backed up toilet, and suddenly you're on call. Most landlords don't realize how much time and stress maintenance actually creates until they're living it. Taking calls, coordinating vendors, getting price quotes, following up, making sure the work was done correctly. It adds up quickly. And the real cost isn't just the repair itself. It's your time, your focus, and the constant interruption to your life. This is where professional property management makes a real difference. At Reserve Key Realty, we handle maintenance through a structured 24/7 process. Tenants know exactly who to contact, issues are documented, prioritized, and routed to qualified vendors who know the property. Because strong vendor relationships matter, reliable contractors respond faster, do better work, and often save money over time. You're not scrambling, you're not negotiating under pressure, the system handles it. When maintenance is handled correctly, ownership becomes hands-off. You're no longer reacting to problems, you're simply informed when something important happens. That's the difference between owning a rental property and managing one. If you own a rental property and want a clear picture of how maintenance is handled behind the scenes, there's a link in the description where you can schedule a free consultation. We can review your property, your goals, and see whether professional management makes sense for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.